welcome back to my channel. It's me, Demmmmmmi. So I know you guys are probably wondering why I have a microphone. This is my favorite microphone actually. It has like karaoke and all that good stuff. But it's actually raining outside and I'm freaking tired of hearing the pitter-patting while I'm trying to record. So I know you guys will be tired of hearing it too if you're watching this. And I also have my air conditioner in the back because it's hot as heck in here. And I wasn't about to turn that off. So I got the microphone so that you guys will be able to hear my voice above all. So hopefully it works out. Anyway, so I know it's been a while, but it's been for very good reasons. My mental state, my mental health has been out of control. I've been in like a really deep rut. And one of the things that helped me, feel better when I'm going through whatever I'm going through is retail therapy. During my latest retail therapy experience, by the title of this video, you know that I went shopping at Nominal. Ooh. I went shopping at Nominal. Nominal is a Muslim-owned jewelry brand that has a bunch of different little cute pieces. They have like rings and bracelets and earrings and necklaces and anklets. Everything except like toe rings. Like they even have watches. They sell them for both men and women. So, my men, if y'all watching this video, you could get you something too. I was actually gifted a few of their pieces as a gift. Someone close to me, they bought me a set, which was earrings, a necklace, a bracelet, a ring. Hold up. My ring, that's my name. That's my initial in Arabic, and a bracelet. It also has like a little extended piece so that you can wear it as an anklet too. So I thought everything was really cute. It doesn't turn. It's gold plated. It's not solid gold. It's gold plated. So you get the gold look without the gold bill. Without the gold bill. So it's not going to turn. You can sleep in it. You can wash up in it. All that good stuff. I had this ring on for about a month now. And it is still gold, honey. It is still gold. So I bought a bunch of pieces from them. Like I said, this video is not sponsored. I spent my coin because I was sad. And now I'm happy that I have new jewelry. So let me show you what I bought. Now that you guys have seen the packaging and all the cute little pieces, let me show you up close and personal what I bought. I always loved the look of having a bunch of rings on your hand. Like my mom used to have it, my grandma used to have it. I know it was a big trend amongst the Black community in the 90s, and I just love the look of a stacked hand with rings. Okay, I know it's been like making a comeback, so I just wanted to get me some more rings. Here's the first ring that I bought. And I actually, to determine my ring size, I actually just bought some like cheap rings from like Rainbow or something. And then I have this app that I'll put somewhere on the screen. You just place the ring on your screen and it'll tell you what size the ring is so that there's no mistakes. So I think this ring is in a size 8 or 9. I'm not too sure. But I think that I'm a size 9. This one fits my pointer finger like perfectly. And that's exactly where I would place it. So I'm gonna leave all the details in the description. As always, I'm gonna put the ring on the screen so y'all can see like what it looks like, how much it was, yada yada yada. I just love the way gold looks on black skin, and this one is so pretty. I love it. This one fits perfectly. And I believe that this is, oh, I thought that was my middle finger. I thought I was flipping out a bird for a second. But yeah, I love the way it looks with my other ring. So yeah, don't be laughing at my old lady hands too. I know they look like old lady hands. They're wrinkly. My feet are wrinkly too. Shut up. Don't talk about it. I'm sensitive. Anyways, here's another ring that I bought. It's a butterfly. Can you see it? Oh wait, it's upside down. Oh wait, no, it was. I love butterflies. I got this in a size 9. I think this one is too big for me. Like I would have to put it on my ring finger, my middle finger, I'm sorry. So it's a butterfly. Is it upside down? It's upside down. I thought it was so cute and dainty. Like, how adorable is that? That's like super pretty. Even if you got it like in a super small size, like for a child, it would be so cute. And I went ahead and bought some matching earrings, but I do realize that these butterfly earrings are not the same as the butterfly ring. Like these butterflies, they have like antennas, and like the bottom of the butterfly wing is like more detailed. The curve of the wing is like more detailed, if you can see like the edges of it. It's a lot more detailed than the ring. I wish they did match, but it's okay. No one's gonna see the earrings anyway because covered. You know the vibes. Another ring. This one, I'm not too crazy about this ring. It's chunky. It's a little small. I think it's a size 8 or 9. But once again, I will leave whatever I got on the screen. And I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. I'm just really not feeling it. It's not doing it for me. I don't know. I would put it like on my pointer finger too. But it doesn't really fit. So I think this ring is an 8. Because this 8 fits good, but this one doesn't. Look, I can't even. Oh, okay. I thought it was stuck for a second. I also got these chunky little earrings. I love hoops, but I didn't want super big hoops. But I thought these were so cute. They're medium size, so they're not the smallest pair that they have, but they're not like the biggest. They're right in the middle. These are really cute. Let me take them out the pack so you can really see all the luster of the gold. Here they are. Oh, no, can y'all see them? Okay, look. And they have like a little weight to them. Like I thought they would be hollow inside. They probably are hollow, but I don't know. They just definitely have some weight to them. I'm definitely used to like beauty supply store hoops, and they're definitely heavier than those. So I'm feeling like a quality shorty. I'm feeling some quality here, y'all. Once again, it is plated. It's not solid gold, so it's at an affordable price. Last but not least, I also got this heart ring. Do y'all see it? This is not what I wanted. This is not what I saw on the website. I do not like this ring. It looks very handmade, which I'm not knocking down handmade, but this is not what I wanted. Like, as you can see from the picture, this heart is like very squished, and that heart is more elongated, okay? So I would say Nominal, their customer service is kind of trash from what I'm experiencing. I got the package on Tuesday. I sent them a message on Wednesday. It is now Friday, so it's been about 2 days, 3 days now. I have gotten no response. So after I didn't get a response on Wednesday, I sent them a message the next day on Thursday, and I got like an automatic response that says it'll take 2 days for a response. So hopefully I get a response back by Monday. I really wanted to update you guys and let you know what they said. That's why it took a little while to do the video. But they haven't responded back to me yet because I want to exchange that ring. I mean, I think that I would be able to exchange it because it wasn't what I wanted. And they say that they have a lifetime warranty on all of their jewelry pieces. So I should be able to return it since it's kind of deformed. Like it's not what it looks like in the picture. And I also read the reviews because I know I am queen review. I'm looking at the reviews of everything I buy. The pictures and the reviews, they did not look like the ring that I received. So I'm definitely gonna be, you know, trying to get a new ring, a different ring, something like that. Hopefully we can squash this so I don't have to have no beef with them, because I don't want no beef. Oh, oh my gosh. That's Gorilla Glue tape. Like, that's Gorilla Glue tape. That's supposed to be like some super strong tape. And you telling me it can't hold up a freaking foam board and some flowers? Now I need to go write a letter to Gorilla Glue, because they lying. They freaking lying. That board is probably like 2 pounds max. They actually responded today and said what they said. They basically said that they will replace the ring. So I take back everything I said about their customer service. But shipping was super quick. Like, I mean super quick. And I didn't pay for no type of expedient next day delivery service or anything. Like, I placed my order on Saturday and I actually got my package on Tuesday. So that was super quick, especially while you're running a sale. I don't know what kind of robots they got fulfilling their orders or whatever, but it was super quick. You do not have to worry about shipping at all. Like I said, this was part of a sale. I think I spent in total for all of these things probably like $70 or $80 for all of this beautiful jewelry. Can you beat that? That's not gonna turn, girl. You need to get you some jewelry from Nominal. Yeah, definitely let me know what your favorite piece was that I bought. Let me know if you have anything from Nominal. Let me see what you got. Definitely tag me on Instagram at DemmmmmmixO. I would love to see it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I just like got a bunch of subscribers out of nowhere. Like, probably like an extra like 20 subscribers, but y'all not watching my videos. Like, I don't understand it. Why y'all subscribe to my channel if you not watching me talk to you? Like, I don't get it. But thank you for your support, and thank you for your continual support. If you have been supporting me from day one, A1, I love you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, turn on your post notifications so that you could be notified every time I drop a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.